Fren Network. What a massive update, my friend. This time the Fren Network is completely go and the moon. What a massive update this time, my friend. Kindly don't skip any second of this video, because in this video, my friend, I tell you to what's next in a Fren Network, my friend. In upcoming times they're moving upward or they fails down. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. Come to the point, please. Before I get started video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. IBS channel, one of the unique YouTube channel to they update you every time. My brother, this time the Fren update, you can see your change occur as 59.75% move off. The price is definitely very fastly increasing now, and this time in the trending network, my friend. This time in the crypto market, what a trending coin, my brother. This time, if you can see this time the price change to 0.000146 USD dollar. What a massive change occurred in the last 24 hours, my brother. You can see they completely move up. So let's see, my brother. Let's see this time the fully diluted market cap 59.95% moving upward, and the volume of last 24 hours as 23.63% moving upward. Definitely this will be very good, my friend. I hope my upcoming times they're moving upward very fastly. So kindly holder, don't sell it. Don't sell it. Check the holders doing this time they are starting selling Fren Price data or Fren Price live data. Sorry, this time you can see the live Fren network as price today as 0.0015 USD dollar with a 24 hours trading volume of 1.36 billion, my brother. What a brilliant change now, my brother. Or 13 billions, my friend. It's a massive jump out now. 1 billion, sorry, 1 billion and 36 lakh, my brother. This time a very big change occurred, my friends, for this time. And if you check out this time, the Fren network is of 61% or 61.49% moving up in the last 24 hours. So very good jump, my friend. The current coin market cap ranking as 27.47 and this time you can see here 47 with a live market cap of not available. The circularity supply is not available, and a max supply of a 7 billion 50 absolutely frame coin. So my brother, these updates tell us, my brothers, to upcoming times they're moving upward, because the change again is completely positive hour by hour, and they're moving upward. So this update clearly tell us to in upcoming time they're also moving upward very fastly. So kindly, if they're moving upward, so therefore you need to hold it. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. And if you want to invest more, then please research personally. Remember, this is not a financial video. Yes, research personally and take a decision. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos and updates.